In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a report of cost center in Zoho Books. Cost centers help you see how different departments, projects, or locations are performing so you can compare results and make better decisions. In Zoho Books, the quickest way to get that picture is through the built-in profit and loss report. First, open your browser and head to the Zoho Books website, then sign into your account. If you work with multiple organizations, check the organization switcher at the top and pick the one you want to report on. Make sure you have access to financial reports. If you don't, your admin can update your role. Next, look at the left navigation panel and click Reports. This page is your reporting hub, grouped by areas like sales, purchases, and accountants, so it's easy to find what you need. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so the reports label is visible. There's also a search bar on this page, which is handy if you have many reports. Now open the profit and loss report. This statement summarizes your income and expenses over a date range, and it can present those totals by cost center. Once the report loads, set the period you care about, this month, last quarter, or a custom range, and apply it. You can also choose accrual or cash basis at the top, so the numbers match how you normally report. In the options on the report page, locate the control that lets you break down or filter results by cost center. Depending on how your account is configured, you might see a filter for cost center or a display option that shows columns for each cost center. Choose the view that fits your goal so the report groups and totals the figures accordingly. As you review the report, confirm that the income section at the top and the expense section below show subtotals for the cost center you selected. If numbers seem incomplete, it usually means some transactions weren't tagged with a cost center, so a quick review and update of those entries will align the totals. When you need to dive deeper, open any amount to see the underlying transactions and verify the cost center tags used. When everything looks right, use the actions on the page to export or print the report for sharing, and consider saving the configuration so it's faster to run next time. To recap, open Zoho Books, go to Reports, and run Profit and Loss with the cost center view. These simple steps give you a clear, reliable snapshot of performance across departments, projects, or locations whenever you need it.